Have you ever seen a baby dancing video? You're wondering how they achieve it. Many monetized TikTok accounts make money from this kind of video. Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to create AI dancing baby videos for viral music trends. The first step you have to take is to go to the browser of your choice. So right here on my browser, I'm just going to type in kit image in their cultural attire. Kit image in their cultural attire. So we have different kits and their different cultural attire. All you have to do here is to select the particular one you want to make use of for your trend and click on that particular video, download it. Having done that, the next step you have to take is to go to your ChatGPT. So right here on my ChatGPT, all I have to do is to take that picture and make it to look exactly the way I want it. I just have to add it here and give it a command. Turn this image into a Pix 3D animation in 9:16 aspect ratio, and he should not be holding anything. I'll send the command. So right here, ChatGPT has created the image from me. So the next thing I have to do is to click on the image and save it to my device. Having done that, the next thing I have to do is to get a reference video that this image will learn how to dance together with. It's called a reference video. So I will just go to my TikTok and get this reference video. So right here on my TikTok, all you have to do is to type in dancing videos. We have a whole lot of dancing videos on the TikTok. Just type in dancing videos in order to get a particular dancing video that you're okay. So I need a cultural dancing video. I made a cultural dancing video. Okay, so I'll be taking this by clicking on the video and clicking on video steadily. Click on download option in order to download it to my device. So I just have to click on download option in order to download this particular video to my device. So right here in download videos, you can see that I already have this video that I just downloaded here now. Yes, so I have my reference video now and I already have my image that I want to create. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is to go to my Play Store. If you are making use of your iPhone, please go to your App Store and download this Click AI. So this is my Click AI. I already have it on my device. So having done that, you just have to log into your Click AI. So right here on my Click AI, I'm looking for this motion control which is already here, but sometimes if you log into your Click AI, because as a first time user you might not see it. What you have to do is swap it to the right, swap your phone to the right, then click on the motion control option. So right here, all you have to do here, the motion, add the character image is a particular image that's and the character image, I'll take it from my camera roll, which is the image that I just saved from my GPT. Then the motion video is this particular video that I downloaded from my TikTok. So be guided, please, so that you will not make mistake. So you just have to click on it So this video is up to 30 seconds. It will not be allowed. For that reason, I have to go back to CapCut. I was able to go to my CapCut and cut this video to 10 seconds. So I just have to click on it, click on the done option. To actually use this app, you have to pay a particular amount depending on how long you want to make use of it and how you want to make use of it. So we have different quantity purchased here and their credit, so you just have to go through it. But I would advise to make use of this app that already tells you that they pay before you make use of it. I'm trying to use the one that will say they don't pay, and after making use of it, your channel or your account will fall into fraud. So that's it on how to create AI dancing baby videos for viral music trends. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.